Crypto.com testnet airdrop. Let's effing go. The highly anticipated testnet on Crypto.com on the smart chain on metamask is now live working. Faucet is working. I've done it like an hour ago. Everything works. Do not jump all in on the faucet because it will probably fail. Make sure you do it at nighttime and not the second this video drops. Anyway, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Subscribe, support on Patreon so I can keep doing this and buy the dip, and let's effing go. So what are we doing today? Testnet guide parabola on CRONOS. There's a lot of hype about CRONOS on the MetaMask smart chain, as it should. There's not a lot of good stuff there's just yet. They're just yield farming to oblivion. But they're building and building, and we're doing a testnet. Parabola is a stable coin, so basically we're gonna get some stable coin faucet. We're gonna put it in a pool, and we're gonna get yield. We're gonna get some passive income from stable coin on CRONOS, which will probably be higher because there's not a lot of people on this chain. And the best part, we're doing this on a testnet, so you just click a few buttons, you play a video game, and you subscribe to my channel. So let's go. Parabola 5. All users joining their testnet will be rewarded, and you can also report some bugs. 1% of the PRB total supply has been allocated for the airdrop. How much is this? Too much, too little? Depends on many factors. I don't know. Let's keep reading. Testnet allow testing the main functionality of protocol. Trial funds. Also, all users that's us. All users who participate in the test will be rewarded. That's the key. Airdrop. 1% of the PRB airdrop has been allocated for the airdrop. Who can get the airdrop? Parabola community. We'll be running community airdrop campaign. Early users. Airdrop campaign. It doesn't say when, so it's not urgent. But I would do it because now the faucets are working. The rules and details will be announced before a week before the goes live. Will be announced in a later date. Okay, so there's no date when. Getting started, you need to add first of all CRONOS testnet, which is right here. I've already done that, but all the links will be below. You're gonna get basically this one, CRONOS testnet. Okay, you need to add this one, CRONOS testnet. And then you need a faucet to get T-Crow, test crow, and then you need another faucet to get all the other stable coins, and then you can actually do something. That's it is what it is. So go to chainlist.org, search CRONOS if you haven't done so already, and add CRONOS testnet. That's step 1. Then you need to get your testnet crow. You have 2 faucets in here. One faucet's for crow, T-Crow right here, and one faucets for all the stablecoin. Enter your wallet address below to receive test crow. You get 50 test crow per 1 request per day. I've done it and I got 250, so I don't know if it's gonna work now, but let's try just for the example. Put your address, make sure that you're not a robot, hydrate, okay. Get test crow, okay. You need to click a couple of times. That's what they said on Telegram. Wrong captcha. Okay. I'll try this. And there we go. Success. We have sent funds to your address. This is how it works. I don't know why, but that's how it works. Let's see if I have more than 250 now. Just in case. And now I got myself the same thing. Okay. But basically, that's how it should be. You got some USD, 285. I got 50 more. Cool. I don't know how I got 250 in the first place, but now I added another 50. So that's what you do. You just spam click until it works. And tell me if it works, because this is crazy stuff. So this is just part 1, faucet number 1. We move forward. You head over to the website itself. Head over to the website, connect your wallet, and then get some stable coin faucet. So let's do that. So this is the website. Okay, let's make sure I'm also recording, which I am. And now you just need a test crow faucet. Okay, So you can also get the faucet from here. But basically enter your wallet address below to receive test die. 200 test die is available for one address. You need to put your address again in here, and test die 1 and get USDC and USDT and Binance USD. Do all of them. It worked for me, and it's up to you if it works for you. Okay, you may have lost internet connection. That's not true, or the testnet is not responsive right now. It is what it is. Get yourself some faucets, and let's move on for the next step, which is go to swap, choose your assets and confirm some swap, and then go to pool. So let's start with the swap. Okay, go to swap. I got 250 die, so let's send, I don't know, $100 die to, let's move my face a little bit, see what we got. Okay, where should I put myself here? Right here above the recording. Okay, and I'm sending this to Binance USD. I don't know, interesting. Okay, click approve. Because it's your first time, you probably need to approve like the contract, something like that, like here, confirm your contract. It is what it is. It is metamask, nothing we can do about it. Yeah, and once this is done, let's see how fast it is. Okay, because it is metamask, it is CRONOS, and now it's confirmed. Okay, and now you need to click swipe, so you need to do it twice for the first time. After that, you just need to click swap. Not a big deal. Confirm. It's gonna cost us 4.3 CRO. How much is that? Let's say 40 cents for CRO times 4. It's about $1.60, $1.80, something like that, for a transaction just to swap. Okay, but this is done. You see, I got 150 now, and I got 300 BUSD because I got 200 faucet plus another. This is done. You move to the next. Go to pool. Deposit any stable coin in a pool to receive liquidity LP. So we're gonna go click on pool right here. This is the stable coin USDC, USDT, and DAI. Click deposit. You see I already done that. I got 150 or something. Click deposit. Let's do 100 here, and I got 200 in here. So let's do 200 in here, and I got 150 in here. So that's how much is that? 400 total, or 395. So I'm depositing 400 and I'm paying $5 fees. Click approve. Deposits, not a big deal. Okay, you just gotta do all the steps. It's basically you click a few buttons. Let's move my face back to where it should be, and you're paying free CRO. How much is free CRO? $1.20 for this transaction. Test, but still it gives you an indicator what to expect, how long to wait once you use the CRONOS. I don't see anything better than the Kepler wallet and everything on Cosmos ecosystem. However, there's a lot of hype, as I said, about CRONOS. Not a lot of projects, not a lot of people, because people don't know how to even get there. But it is what it is. And maybe if you want to farm some stable coins, this is a good place to do so. So we have done that. Okay, my share of the pool. We've done that. Let's move forward. Next, we got ourselves a deposit. We've done the deposit. Okay, and now we need to withdraw a little bit. And after the withdrawal, we go to farm. So now that we've done that, we did the deposit. You need to withdraw. Where's the withdraw? Right here. You got the withdraw button. We got ourselves, you see, 459. I'd say I want to withdraw $50 just for the example. It's going to give me this, or this. Withdraw. And click withdraw. 16 bucks each. How much fees I'm paying for the withdraw? Let's see. 1.67 CRO. That's what? 50-60 cents. Okay, and once this is done, let's see what's next. Next for us is go to farms deposit LP. Okay, so let's gonna go to farms deposit LP and then withdraw some of the deposit LP and then begin to earn PRB and accumulate invested and stake. So okay, step by step. So this is done. Now go to farms. Okay, and in the farms, just go to the first one. This is where we are. Let's close this. This is our farm. You see 786% APR or 238,000 APY, which is crazy. We got 400 LP, so let's put 400 deposit. Okay, that's what we got so far, and we're gonna withdraw a little bit against that. Okay, you know, feel free to tell me a joke. This is the time. This is the time to do so. How many airdrops did you get so far from Cosmos or other testnet? Basically, I'm excited. I'm excited. We got ourselves 400. We can deposit the max, but now I got 490. It says to withdraw, so let's withdraw. I don't know, 100. Not a big deal. Let's withdraw and then move on to the next step. Okay. But if you're gonna get like what was it? 162,000% APY on a stable pair, that's that's pretty good. So once this will be done, let's see what's next for us. Go to stake, click claim all with penalty and receive 50% of the vesting. So we're gonna click vest, and then we're gonna click stake, then click here, and then we're gonna stake, and then we're gonna go back to the farm and vest, and then we're gonna stake and claim and lock. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. Go to stake, basically go to the bottom and says claim with penalties. So we're gonna claim 50% penalty. We're going to get 0.018 PRB. Okay, so that's the game. You know that I understand what they're doing. They're saying and you're paying 1.5 CRO. So they're saying, you know what, instead of dumping to oblivion, you're gonna farm, but then when you get the coin, if you wanna actually swipe it, you're gonna pay 50% fee or hold it for I don't know how long. That's good. That's good. Expiry time May 25th, so it has like 3 months of lock period. That's good. That's trying to avoid basically what they need to avoid. Now it says go back to the stake page again, or the what do we need to do? Hold on. We've done the claim all penalty, then stake PRB. Okay, so we're gonna go to the stake, and then go to the farm and vest. Okay, okay. Go back to the stake, click stake. How much can I stake? Staking BRB. I got 0.012. So let's take the max. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so we've done that, and then we need to vest it in the farm. Okay, so once this is stake, where's this? Let me see. So we did the stake, the max amount, got it. Go back to farms and vest some more, and then go back to stake and claim all and lock. So this one. Okay, so this is done. Go back to farm, and what says go to vest all. This one, I haven't done this one, so click on vest all. Cool. So we're vesting some PRB. Good to know. Doesn't really matter. What is this stuff? Let's click. So I'm vesting PRB to harvest. Okay, so I'm basically locking this down. View transaction, and once this is done, which is right now, cool, I'm gonna go back to stake and then scroll all the way to the bottom, and now said claim all and lock. I got 0.01. It's locked until May. Okay, it doesn't say withdraw, so claim all, lock for 180 days. How long is it locked? Stake and claim all. Choose the lock days and confirm. So he locked for 360 days. Okay, so let's do that. Lock for 360 days and enjoy 2.5 reward. You know what, I'm gonna lock for 90 days. It is what it is. If I'm losing on airdrop because of that, I highly doubt it, but I don't think so. I don't want to lock a potential airdrop for a year. 3 months is more than enough in crypto. Claim and lock. Let's make sure that this is done before we see if there's any other options in this testnet. That's all for the guide. Remember to report bugs to the team. Okay. This one is done. This one is done. Let's see if we got anything interesting in here. And I got locked until Wednesday, May 25th, 2022. So I got one staked, I got one locked, I got multiplier 1.2. I'm making 1,754% APR on a stable coin. Cool. My name is Zfans After 40. If this was valuable, subscribe and join Patreon to support this channel so I will do more video. Links below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.